This is my pretty assistant for the listed about maintenance. Everything's backing up to all these fittings.
From the top of the line, we start by punching a hole through the blockage.
What you want to drink? 70% alcohol. There's no, you like fishing, but it's definitely roots. It's very fine roots. Yeah. It's like Asian food. Maybe we should take a coffee break. I'm Bill from Bill's channel. There is a dip. I'll put the camera in and we are in water for about a meter or two and then we pop out. I just want to see if we can locate the hammerhead. It transmits a signal. Come out of the water here. I want to pull back a little bit. And then we can see where the dip starts. A bad fall on the line, but we are at the end of it. If it's under the wood, then it's not so difficult if they will just help us lift the floor. Okay, so we're about 2 meters back. This whole room is underwater. It's possible that they just put too much weight on the pipe. That's suspended in the air. We wouldn't know unless we could get a visual under the floor. This is the junction where the toilet connects to the main line. Okay, it's running. And it should come out our junction over here. That's also coming from behind the rotting eye. We have a whole lot of roots growing in from the sides. We can clean that up and then fill it up with either cement or foam and then epoxy the whole box.